Guys, welcome to Web Designing HTML CSS course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 18. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. Now let's start. So this is the website that we are creating. Today we are going to create the footer, that how we can make the footer. Let's start. In the index file, this is my index.html. At the end, we will find the footer div. Here you can see this is my footer div. If I will remove this font and footer from the div, I will save this, refresh my browser just to check whether I'm on the correct position. Yes, you can see we are on the correct positions. Now what I will do, I will write here first of all rights reserved. As you have seen this thing in so many websites, all rights reserved. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see. Now what I want the background color of the footer black and the text color white. For this purpose, this is my ID. In the CSS, I will find in the last footer ID. Here you can see this is footer ID. So what I will do, I will change the background color. We have put a background color here yellow. So for this purpose, I will put black background. Here you can see, but we cannot see the text. If we select the text, we can see because the text color is black. Now what I will do here, I will write here color white. This is the property to see the text color. I will save this. Here you can see all right reserves in the white color. Now most of the websites you have seen that when you see this, there is some sign of C, that is about the copyright, or R sign. How you can do that? Let me show you this thing also. Here, if you want to show the copyright sign, for this purpose you will write and sign, then you will write here copy like this. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the copy sign is here. And if I want to write here registered sign, we can also do that. I will write and I will write here reg registered. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see R is here. Now I will remove one. I will save this, refresh my browser. Now what I want to do, you have seen in so many websites there will be two pages like privacy policy and terms of services or copyrights in the footer. How we can create these two pages? This is my div, footer div. So here in this div I will create an anchor because pages, these links are clickable. So here I will write terms of services, and the second link I will create privacy policy. In this link I will write here privacy policy. Because these are the links, so I will write here hyperreference. I will put empty. When I will create the pages, then I will put the link here. Also I will put here hyperreference empty for the hash sign. Here you can see these two links are showing here, but the color is not changed. How we can change the color? This is index.html file. So here what I will do, I will put hash footer and space A because I want to access this text of the A. So I will write here hash footer A. In the style sheet at the end, here I will do what? I will put hash footer space A, and I will write here what? I will write here color. As I told you before, I want to change the color, so the property is color semicolon the color name. I will save this, refresh my browser, but it is not changing. Why it is not changing? Let me find out the error. You can see hash footer, the spelling mistake. I have told you so many times, the spelling mistake is not good for our CSS because we cannot see the correct results. As you have seen this proof here, you can see, right? This is in the white color. Now what I want, if I want to remove the underline, then I will write in the A text decoration none, but I want some space here just for the differentiation. So what I will do, I will write here margin dash left. You can see I will write here 10 pixels. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the margin is created, and if I want to remove the line, then I will simply write here text dash decoration none. I will write here none. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see it's looking very good, very amazing. We can put here in the index, here we can put dot, right? Or we can also write here 2020 like this, 2020, right? I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see it means that we have the reserved right for 2020 for this website, right? Now you can see this sidebar and this footer color is, here you can see there is no difference. Just to differentiate the sidebar and footer, what I will do, I will just create the border in the footer main div. Here I will create the border 1 pixel solid, and I will put the color white. I will save this and refresh my browser. Here you can see there is some differentiation between the footer and the sidebar, so you can see some difference. So in this way our home page is almost complete. Here we have to put the content. In the next lectures I will tell you that how we can put the content. So if you do not understand anything, you can comment me, I will answer your questions. And if you like my video, please thumbs up my video, like my videos, share my videos with each other so that everyone can make their own websites very easily. Thank you so much.